Hello and welcome back to the deep dive.
Hello, everyone.
Today is a very special day.
It is.
Usually we're diving deep into some big, complex topics,
Yeah.
vast conversations about technology or politics.
The future of the world.
But today we're doing something, well, something quite different. We are slowing down.
That's right. Today, we have a special mission. We know a lot of you listening are learning English.
hmm
You might be listening in the car, or maybe while you're cooking dinner.
We're going for a walk, yeah.
So for this deep dive, we are going to be your teachers.
We're going to speak slowly. We're going to speak very clearly. We want you to understand every single word.
Exactly. The goal is to help you learn two things at the same time.
Two things.
A dual mission. First, we want to help you learn about time management.
Okay.
And second, we want to teach you some really important English vocabulary words about time.
It's a 2-for-1 deal. You learn to control your time and you improve your English. I think this is going to be so useful.
I think so too.
So where do we start? Let's start with the big topic. Time management.
Time management. It sounds like a very serious business word, doesn't it?
It does. It sounds like something for CEOs in big suits.
But it's actually really simple. It just means how to control your time.
How to use your day well.
Exactly. And we're looking at some research today from a guide called Mastery of Time and Energy Management. It has some great ideas.
Okay, so let's start with the biggest problem. The problem that everyone has. It's a feeling.
Ah, yes. The feeling of being busy.
Yes. Everyone says this. If I ask a friend, how are you? What do they always say?
Oh, I'm so busy.
I'm crazy busy.
I have so much to do. It's always the answer.
Okay, let's stop right there. That word, busy. It's such a common word. What does busy actually mean?
Well, let's define it. Let's make it clear. Busy means you have a lot of things to do, a lot of active tasks.
You're running around.
You're running around, you have no free time, your schedule is full, your phone is ringing.
We're just doing all day.
Yep. All activity.
Okay, so that's what it means. But here's the real question, and our source material asks this too. Is being busy a good thing?
That is the trick, isn't it? That's the trap.
A trap.
Yes, because we think it's good. We think, oh, I am busy, so I must be important, or I'm working hard.
Right.
But the source material says something very different. It says being busy is not the same as being productive.
Ah, that is a key difference. Busy versus productive. I think a lot of people think they mean the same thing.
They sound similar, but they're not. Can I explain it with a little story?
Please do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Imagine you are at your desk. You have a big stack of papers.
Okay.
You move the papers from the left side of the desk to the right side. Then you move them back. Are you moving?
Yes, I am. My arms are moving.
You tired?
Yeah, probably. It's boring work.
Right. You look very busy to anyone watching. You are busy.
Yeah.
But did you finish anything?
No, I just moved papers around.
Exactly. That is being busy. Being productive means you actually finish something important.
You get a result.
You get a result. You move forward.
That's a great example. I think I have days like that. I feel so tired, but I didn't actually finish my important work. The source material has a name for this. It calls it shallow work.
Yes. Shallow work.
Yeah.
Let's look at that word shallow. It means not deep.
Like the shallow end of a swimming pool?
Perfect.
Yeah.
Where the water is low, it's safe, it's easy. Shallow work is the easy stuff. Checking emails, answering simple messages.
Sitting in meetings where you just listen.
Exactly. And the opposite of that is?
Deep work.
Correct. Deep work is hard. It uses your full brain. It's thinking, writing a report, studying English grammar.
Creating something new.
Right. Deep work makes your life better. Shallow work just fills your time.
And I think we all do too much shallow work. We check our phones because it's easy.
It is easy. And the deep work can be a little scary. It takes energy.
Yeah.
So we hide in the busy, shallow work.
So a question for you, the listener. Think about your day. Were you busy or were you productive?
That's a hard question to answer, honestly. Sometimes I realize I was just organizing things for hours.
It happens to all of us. But if we want to change, we need to start small. Which brings us to our next big idea. Why do we wait to do things?
Yes, that feeling. You know you need to do something, but you make You just don't do it.
You watch TV instead.
You clean the kitchen instead of studying, yeah.
We have a very specific, very long, and a little difficult English word for this. Procrastination.
Oh, that is a big one. It's a mouthful. Let's say it slowly for everyone. Procrastination.
Procrastination. One more time.
Procrastination.
It almost sounds like a medical problem. Doctor, I have a case of procrastination.
It feels like one sometimes. So let's break it down. What does procrastination mean?
It means waiting. Waiting until the very last minute to do something.
It means delaying, putting it off. You say, I'll do it tomorrow.
Or later.
After this coffee. That is procrastination.
And why do we do it? Is it just because we are lazy?
You know, it's usually not about laziness. It's more about emotions. A task feels too big or too difficult.
It's heavy.
Yes. And your brain says, oh no, that's too much. I might fail. So to avoid that bad feeling, you do something easy instead.
That makes perfect sense. But our source material has this wonderful little trick to stop this. It's called the 2-minute rule.
This is one of my favorite rules. It is so simple. You can use it today, right now.
Perfect for A2 learners and for me. What's the rule?
The rule is this. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, you do it immediately.
Immediately, like right now.
Right now. Don't write it down. Don't think about it. Just do it.
Okay, let's do a role play. Let's try it.
Great idea. I'm ready.
Okay, so I'm in my kitchen. I just finished a coffee. I have a dirty cup. I look at it and I think, ugh, I should wash this. But I'm tired. I want to check my phone.
Okay, stop right there. The dirty cup. How long does it take to wash one cup?
30 seconds? Maybe 40.
Is that less than 2 minutes?
Yes, of course. Much less.
Then wash it now. Don't put it in the sink. Don't wait. Just do it.
Okay. Done. It's washed.
See? Now it's finished. It's out of your mind.
That's the real power of it, isn't it? It's not just about the clean cup.
No. It's about what the source calls mental clutter.
Mental clutter. That's a great phrase. Mental, so in your mind. And clutter means a mess.
A mess, exactly. Like a messy room. When you leave that dirty cup, your brain has to remember it. It's a small thought. Don't forget the cup, but it uses a little bit of your energy.
And when you have many small things like that, your brain gets tired.
Exactly. You clear away the small things immediately so you have more energy for the big things.
I love that. So if an email just needs a yes, thank you response,
Do it now. 10 seconds.
you take off your coat when you get home.
Hang up. Don't throw it on the chair. 10 seconds.
It's so simple. That is a great takeaway. But what about the big tasks? The things that take more than 2 minutes?
Yes. That is the next challenge. For those, we need to talk about time limits and a famous idea called Parkinson's Law.
Parkinson's Law. That sounds very official.
It does. But the idea is simple. The law says work expands to fill the time available for its completion.
Okay, that's a complicated sentence. Let's break that down. Work expands to fill the time.
Let's use an analogy, a comparison. Let's talk about cleaning your house.
Oh, I hate cleaning the house. Good example.
Okay, imagine you have all day to clean. It's Saturday, nothing to do. How long does it take to clean the house?
All day, for sure. I'll start slow, have some coffee, check my phone. I will take 8 hours.
Exactly. The work expanded to fill the 8 hours you had.
Yeah.
But, okay, different situation. Your mother calls. She says, hello, I'm coming to visit in 2 hours.
Oh, no. Panic. The house must be perfect.
Total panic. Now, how long does it take to clean the house?
2 hours, maybe 1. I will run around cleaning so fast.
And will the house be clean?
Yes. Probably cleaner than if I took all day. I'll be so focused.
That is Parkinson's Law. Give yourself a short time, you work fast. Give yourself a long time, you work slow.
Wow. That makes so much sense. And this brings us to another key vocabulary word, deadline.
Yes, a very common word in English, deadline. D-E-A-D-L-I-N-E.
So what is a deadline?
A deadline is the time you must finish something. The finish time. If the paper is due on Friday, Friday is the deadline.
The word sounds so scary. Deadline.
It's a little dramatic, but it just means the finish time.
So if my boss doesn't give me a deadline, how do I use this idea?
You have to set artificial deadlines.
Artificial. So fake deadlines, not real.
Exactly. You
Yeah.
trick your brain. You say, okay, I have all week for this report, but I will pretend the deadline is Tuesday.
And if you believe that fake deadline, you'll focus and work faster.
You will. But speaking of focus, that's another big problem, isn't it?
It is. Even with a deadline, sometimes I just can't focus. My mind goes everywhere.
It's so hard in the modern world. There are so many things trying to get our attention. We call them distractions.
Vocabulary time. Distraction. What is a distraction?
A distraction is anything that pulls your attention away from your work.
So, like, Your phone ringing.
That's the biggest one. A notification from Instagram, a dog barking, even just feeling hungry can be a distraction.
And distractions are the enemy of deep work.
They are. You can't do deep work if you check your phone every 5 minutes. So the source recommends a famous method to fight this. It's called the Pomodoro technique.
Pomodoro. That's the Italian word for tomato, right?
It is. The person who invented it used a kitchen timer that was shaped like a tomato.
That's very funny. So I need a tomato timer.
No, any timer will work. Your phone is fine. It's very simple. Just 3 steps.
Okay, what's step one?
Step 1, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Only 25 minutes. That's pretty short.
It is. That's the magic.
Yeah.
Step 2, for those 25 minutes, you just work. Only one task, no phone, no email, nothing else.
Just focus.
Just focus. And step 3, when the timer rings, you stop.
Immediately.
Immediately, and you take a break for 5 minutes.
That does sound easy. Why does it work? What, 25 minutes?
It works because it's easy. Think about it. If I say you need to study English for 5 hours, how do you feel?
Oh, tired already. Scared. It feels like a huge mountain to climb.
Right. But if I say just study for 25 minutes, your brain says...
Okay, I can do that. That's not scary.
Exactly. It feels safe. Anyone can focus for 25 minutes. And then you get a little reward, a 5-minute break.
So you work for 25, then break for 5, then work 25, break 5.
That's the cycle. And it helps you keep your energy high. It turns work into a little game.
I like that. But there's one more problem. We know how to do the work faster. But how do we know what work to do in the first place?
Ah, that is such an important question. Sometimes we are very productive on the wrong thing.
We need to understand our priorities.
Yes. Let's define that word. Priority.
Okay.
A priority is the most important thing.
Yeah.
The thing that helps you reach your future goals.
But sometimes other things feel more important because they're loud, like a phone ringing.
We call those things urgent.
Urgent. Let's define that. What does urgent mean?
Urgent means it needs your attention right now. A fire alarm is urgent. A crying baby is urgent. A ringing phone feels urgent.
But is a ringing phone always a priority?
No. And that's the big mistake we all make. We confuse what is urgent with what is a priority.
We spend all day on urgent things, but not enough time on our priorities.
It's like you're trying to build a house, which is your priority. But there are small fires in the grass all around you. If you spend all day putting out the small fires, you never build the house.
So how do we stop putting out fires all day?
We have to learn to use the most powerful word for time management.
Is it please?
No. Please is very polite, but not the most powerful.
Thank you.
Also good, but no. The most powerful word is no.
Just no.
Just no. You cannot do everything. You only have so much time.
Yeah.
If you say yes to every request, every meeting, you will have 0 time for your own priorities.
There's a quote in our notes from Warren Buffett. He says, "Successful people say no to almost everything."
That is very strong advice. But think about it. When you say yes to a meeting you don't need to be in, you are saying no to your own important work.
That's hard to do, though. We want to be nice. We don't want to be rude.
You can say no politely. You can say, I would love to help, but I have a deadline.
Oh, that's a great phrase. Using the word we just learned. I have a deadline.
Or, I need to focus on a priority right now.
Before we finish, I saw one more funny term in the notes. It's called revenge bedtime procrastination.
Ah, yes. Revenge bedtime procrastination. It sounds very dramatic.
It does. What is it?
Well, imagine your day was terrible. You were busy, not productive. You answered emails, you went to meetings, you said yes to everyone. You had no time for yourself.
Okay, I can imagine that day. I feel frustrated. I feel like my day wasn't mine.
Right, and now it's 11 o'clock at night. You're tired, you should sleep, but you feel a little angry.
Yeah.
So you stay awake, you scroll on your phone, you watch videos, you play games until 1 in the morning.
To steal back some time for myself.
Exactly. You are taking revenge on the day.
Yeah.
But is it a good idea?
No, because then you're so tired the next day.
And if you're tired, you can't focus.
Yeah.
You can't do deep work. And you have another bad day. It's a bad circle.
Say the advice is simple. Just go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Your brain needs to rest.
Wow. We have covered so much today, so many strategies and so many new words.
We have. Let's do a quick review. Repetition is great for learning.
Okay, let's review our 3 key vocabulary words. Number 1, procrastination.
Procrastination. That means waiting, delaying, putting things off until later.
Good. Number 2, deadline.
Deadline. The finish time. The time you must be done.
And number 3, priority.
Priority. The most important thing. The thing that helps your future. not just what's loud or urgent.
And we also learned 2 great techniques, the 2-minute rule
If it's less than 2 minutes, do it now.
and the Pomodoro technique.
Work for 25 minutes. Focus, then take a 5-minute break. Easy.
You know, there's that famous saying, time is money.
It really is. You have to
Right.
spend it carefully. You can't waste it.
I hope everyone listening can try just one of these things tomorrow, even just washing one coffee cup immediately.
Start small. That's the best way.
Yes. Well, thank you so much for listening to this special English learning deep dive.
We hope you learned something new. Keep practicing your English and keep managing your time.
See you next time.